it's me, Isha here, into a new video with Hashir, and today we are going to be making a snow volcano. So the materials you'll need is vinegar, any type of vinegar.
A glass.
You need dish soap.
A glass.
A glass, yeah. She did 2 times. And then we need baking soda. And this is optional, you can add food coloring. So this is how we start. Let's start into the video. So first, we kind of got the the volcano already done. So first step here. So the first step is to get a glass and kind of like get a right spot. Like let's come here and kind of put it in here. Done. So we're done putting. We put the hole, and we took gloves because our hands were freezing when we put the hand thing. So first step, we're gonna get dish soap. The dish soap. Open it. Okay. So we're just gonna put it a bit, and done. You can. Oh my. So now we're gonna put the food coloring. Okay, Hashi, give me that stick. We're gonna use a stick to mix it. Hashi, hold it. Wow, this stick can do some stuff. Oi. So this is how it looks like right now. Okay, so now next is baking soda. Take it. We're gonna open it. Okay. So now we're gonna put all of it. Okay, it's just a bit of white stuff. And then we take the vinegar. So guys, we have to do this in Husher. Get out of this, because it's gonna explode after this. And yeah, and 3. Oh yeah, let's just explain this part. So when baking soda and vinegar mix, kind of makes an explosion, making it like a carbon dioxide. It's a chemical. So yeah, it's a chemical reaction. Right. Okay, so let's put it in 3. If I put a little bit more, and then here goes other side too. Hey. Oh, it smells.
Oh, no. I know it smells.
Yes. Hey. It kind of smells bad because it's vinegar. But yeah. So that's it. And yeah, that's the end of the video. Bye bye.